If you've been feeling low on energy, struggling with stamina, or just not feeling like yourself lately, this simple kitchen recipe might be the reset your body needs. Let's start with this ancient powerhouse, dates. Did you know dates have been cultivated for over 5,000 years? In fact, in many cultures, they were a survival food, rich in nutrients and energy. But here's what matters for you today. Dates are packed with zinc, magnesium, and amino acids, all vital for testosterone production, energy metabolism, and circulation. These aren't just sweet fruits, they're hormone helpers. To make this powerful drink, follow these steps. Step 1. Finely chopped your date on a cutting board or anyhow you can chop it. Finely chopping them releases their natural sugars and micronutrients, making them easier for the body to absorb. Step 2. Adding chopped olives to the bowl. Olives are often overlooked, but they're a secret weapon for men's vitality. Rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants, olives help improve blood flow, protect the heart, and support reproductive health. Additionally, they add a delicious savory depth to this mix. Step 3. Adding sliced fresh ginger and orange zest. Now we add ginger, a natural energizer with anti-inflammatory powers. Just a small slice helps increase circulation and balance stress hormones like cortisol, so you feel more focused and calm. And this orange zest. It's not just for flavor. It's a bright burst of vitamin C and antioxidants that support immunity and mood. Step 4. Splashing water into the bowl and gently mixing. Add a splash of water, then mix it all gently. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the nutrients to blend. This infusion is more than delicious, it's a natural tonic for stamina, focus, and vitality. Step 5. Adding 2 teaspoons of instant coffee to a mug. Now let's bring it all together. Add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee to a mug. Yes, coffee in moderation can actually boost circulation, improve reaction time, and enhance athletic and intimate performance. But here's the key: balance. This recipe offsets coffee's acidity with nutrient-dense, calming ingredients. Step 6. Pouring hot water into the mug, then adding the steeped mix. Pour in your hot water, but leave room for the mix. Now add your steeped fruit and herb mix. The result is a warm, energizing drink that supports your hormones, circulation, and performance, naturally. And finally, you will get sweet dates, savory olives, warming ginger, bright orange, all working together to help you feel more energized, clear-headed, and confident, without pills or gimmicks. If you're a man over 40, you don't need to settle for low energy or reduced stamina. You just need the right tools, starting in your kitchen. Try this recipe once, and feel the difference. If this helped you, hit the like button and share it with someone who might need it. And let us know in the comments, which ingredient do you already use, and what results are you hoping for. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay in charge.